Come test drive the 2018 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, keyless entry, traction control, alloy wheels, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, child safety locks, trip computer, CD player, power brakes. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Subaru CPO vehicles have no secrets. You'd never have to wonder about vehicle history, reliability, and durability. Qualifying vehicles have passed through a stringent process determined by Subaru of America. When shopping for a pre-owned Subaru, the best place to look is your Subaru dealer.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.